Okay, I'm here to show you my new Nerf Stampede. It's kind of something a little odd and not quite my age, but I got it with my birthday money. Figured I might as well show you guys it. Yeah, that's the blaster itself, but you also get 3 mags with it. There's 1, 2, 3. Those right there all hold 18 rounds apiece. And you get this little 6-rounder. I don't know why or what the point of it is, but whatever. And with me here I also have a drum mag from my Raider CS35, just to show you that the mags from other guns will work too. And here you also get a grip. There's a little button on the back to push it. Bipod comes out. You let me fix that so that way you guys can actually see it, but yeah. Grip, button on the back, bipod. Nifty little thing they put in there, but then you also get this kind of half retarded shield thing to cover your face. Doesn't do a good job of it, but whatever they want to do. Yeah, pretty much everything except for all the mags can be put on at once. You can put the bipod and grip on, like so. You can also oh, here's the bipod actually on it, working. Bipod actually on it. But yeah, then you gotta put your shield on it. Kind of can see it partially better from the side, but can't really see what I'm doing there because can't see right there. But yeah, anyway, everything fits in it, and that's it with all the attachments and everything, at least I have for this particular gun. But yeah, you can just sit there. This is just to show you guys that the big drum mag will work on this gun. Kinda ridiculous though, you don't really want something this big on it. Hard to do. And I'm sorry if this seems bad quality, but film with my iPod. Yeah, see, it does fit. It will work with that, but I'm not going to use this mag for the great big huge for when I actually fire it, because way too many darts to pick up afterwards. But okay, here it is actually firing. And I'll show you the sights on it too. There's the sights with the shield. Now, here's the fire. Oh, gotta put my mag in all the way. Okay, now why isn't this thing accepting the mag? Okay, oh, crap. Okay, well, now that I got the mag thing sorted out, this is the rate of fire and everything on it. Okay, and why is this thing not working? It's irritating me. Try using a different mag. Maybe the mag's messed up, but yeah. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Usually this thing I don't have that many issues with, but here we go. And the dang thing jams up. Well, guys, sorry about it, but this thing's just irritating me right now. I don't feel like dealing with it, but yeah, that's everything. See if I can fix this real quick though. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Okay, but yeah, that's how fast it fires, and well, blaze me a 2517, and well, peace.